Hi, I'm Nikki Jabor, and today I'm going to review the Troy-Bilt 30-inch 3-stage snowblower with electric start. I've had this machine for a year now and have used it many times to clear snow from my driveway, from major blizzards that dropped a foot or more of snow to smaller storms that, well, just gave us a couple of inches of snow. Before I start tackling today's storm, let's take a look at some of the key features of this snowblower. It has a 30-inch clearing width with 12-inch serrated steel augers. They break up ice and snow to make it easier to remove. I've got a long driveway and we often get storms that drop more than a foot of snow at one time. This model has a powerful 420cc OHV engine to help clear large driveways and deep snow. The 3-stage clearing system removes snow up to 50% faster than a Troy-Bilt 2-stage gas snowblower. And it features touch and turn power steering, which lets you turn the snowblower easily with the touch of a finger. It's also easy and comfortable to use with self-propelled drive and a choice of 6 forward and 2 reverse speeds. The airless tires offer great traction, which is nice when your driveway is sloped like mine, and I never have to worry about them going flat. If you're clearing snow at night or early in the morning, you'll appreciate the in-dash headlight. Okay, now that we've looked at some of the features, let's put the Troy-Bilt 30-inch 3-stage snowblower with electric start to work. We just got 14 inches of snow overnight, and it's time to get clearing. As I mentioned, I've had this snowblower for about a year and have used it many times. It's always quick to start, and the 30-inch clearing width picks up a lot of snow. I find the 3-stage model is great at clearing and throwing not just light snow, but also heavy, wet snow and slush. And that's super important to me because here in Nova Scotia, we tend to get snow followed by rain. And the snow doesn't get stuck in the chute, which slows you down, of course. The touch and turn power steering is also a super handy feature that makes clearing snow, well, that much easier. Okay, well, this driveway is done, but I still have plenty of snow to clean up, and I think I'll help my neighbors out a bit too, so I best get back to it.